Alert as the number of measles cases in our area continue to grow.
We have team coverage tonight. We begin with our Trevor Ault. He's live in Clark County. Trevor.
Well, Dan and Jennifer, good afternoon. We've heard from doctors who say measles is the most contagious disease on the planet. We're watching these numbers get higher and higher. There are now 35 confirmed cases of measles across our area, the vast majority of them here in Clark County. And the public health director here says of these cases, all but one of them are kids, and they know that at least 31 of these 35 are unvaccinated. There are also 9 more suspected cases, too. These numbers have gotten higher after measles was considered eradicated. This is the first time the county's had any confirmed cases of the measles since 2011, but times have changed.
It should be eradicated from the United States. It should actually be eradicated from the world, but we have a large unvaccinated population. Measles still exists in the world, and all you have to do is introduce one case into an unvaccinated population, takes off like wildfire.
And as there are new cases, there are also new locations where you may have been exposed, and there are some heavily trafficked spots. The Trader Joe's and the Dollar Tree on Southeast Choclaw Drive, if you were there last Monday afternoon, those are in the same strip mall. And the Walmart Supercenter where I am on Northeast 4th Plain, also last Monday afternoon, plus the Vancouver WIC office, and even in Portland, OMSI. If you were there last Saturday between 2:30 and 7, a time when so many families visit, you may have been exposed. Now, the public health director in Clark County blamed misinformation for the rise in unvaccinated people, and it's costing the county. He said as of yesterday, this outbreak has cost them $177,000 in counting. It wouldn't surprise him if this ended up costing Clark County more than $1 million, because he thinks the number of confirmed cases is just going to grow. The incubation period for the measles can take as long as 3 weeks. So some people who might have been exposed last week might not even see symptoms until mid-February. Reporting live from Vancouver, Trevor Ault, KOIN 6 News.
Thanks, Trevor. And meanwhile, Washington lawmakers have introduced a bill that would eliminate the personal exemption for the MMR vaccine. The bill was sponsored by Representative Paul Harris from Vancouver. His bill would not apply to other required immunizations, and the medical and religious exemptions would remain.
First, it was limited to Washington. Now there's at least one confirmed measles case in Multnomah County.
Our Lisa Balick is following this, joins us live from Southeast Portland. What did you find out, Lisa?
Well, I was able to confirm today the one person who has measles in the Portland area is a child, and the understanding is that they likely got it from someone in Clark County. Now, the concern is whether this virus is going to spread throughout the Portland area as well. This local case was confirmed last Thursday. Health authorities are working on tracking down the places that child was before they were diagnosed to notify others of possible exposure to measles, as well as asking those who are around the child to stay home and watch for symptoms if they are not vaccinated.
It may have spread because our case just had onset on January 24th, and you don't see the rash developing until about 2 weeks following exposure. So, we're going to be following all of those exposed people for some time now.
Okay.
Now, Lisa was
advising to get at least one dose of the measles vaccine. Kids are supposed to have had 2 doses by the time they enter school. Now, there was a possible case in Marion County, but we are told that that person tested negative. So at this point, we just have one here in the Portland area as far as the Oregon cases, but they are expecting more. Live in Southeast Portland, Lisa Balick, KOIN 6 News.